I just got off a call with a coaching client who said, Karen, I just don't think I want to start over. And I'm like, you're not starting over. Hi there, by the way, I'm Karen Barno, and I coach women on how to heal their shadows so they can start living their best life, start stepping into their spotlight, to go from dreamers to achievers and find their blue rose. When you feel like you're starting over, you're not. Whether you're going through a divorce or your husband or your spouse passed away or whatever, you're starting from where you're at, which is much different than starting out when you were 11, 12, or 13. You already have all this experience behind you. So you know what you don't want, and you have a clue what you do want, so it becomes much easier to go forward. So think about what all you want, who you want to create, what type of person you want to be, how do you want to act, dream, believe, and go from there. So don't look at it as starting over. Look at it from starting where you're at and becoming the woman that you know is locked away. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Here's you finding your blue rose.